In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. If you've ever wondered how to capture exactly where your time goes and make sure it shows up clearly in your workspace's insights, this walkthrough will get you set up the right way and tracking in minutes. First, we need to enable time tracking at the workspace level so it works consistently for everyone and across all your tasks. Look to the top left corner of ClickUp and click your workspace name to open the menu. Then choose Settings. This takes you to your workspace settings, which is the correct place to turn on features that affect the whole team. In the Settings menu, select ClickApps. ClickApps are the building blocks that power features in ClickUp, and time tracking lives here. Use the search bar to find time tracking quickly. When you see it, toggle time tracking on. If you don't have access to this switch, you may need an admin to enable it for you. Once it's on, the timer tools will become available across tasks, and your tracked time will feed into workspace-wide reporting automatically. Now let's track time on a task. Open any task you want to work on. This could be something new or something already in progress. Inside the task, look for the time tracking button, which shows a small timer icon. That's your control center for capturing time. You have two options: start the live timer or add time manually. Use the live timer when you're about to begin work and want an accurate, real-time record. Click once to start and let it run while you focus. You can pause or stop it when you're done. This is great for minimizing guesswork and keeping your day honest. Alternatively, if you forgot to start the timer or you're logging time after the fact, choose the manual option to enter the duration, and if prompted, add a brief note about what you accomplished. Manual entries are perfect for meetings, quick fixes, or work completed away from your computer. Aim to be consistent with your descriptions so your future self and your team can understand the context at a glance. As you track, your time entries will be attached to the task and roll up to your workspace's reporting, helping you see where effort is going and making estimates and planning more accurate over time. And that's how you use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.